Hi everyone, how are you? Hope everyone is having a great weekend. I love Sunday nights. I'm excited for the new week. Sorry, excuse me, I'm just getting comfortable here. I'm trying to put my feet up on my stool. I love Sunday nights, getting excited for a new week, meet new people, do new things. And I wanted to come to you with another idea for healthy, gluten-free, not necessarily healthy, but gluten-free, dairy-free, quick meals. Hi, friends. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Robin. I missed someone else. Wendy Rube. Hi. Oh my God, this is so much fun. Hi, guys. Hope everyone's warm and toasty in the house. I was freezing yesterday. Today, I'm just a little bit cold, so I've got it on, my coat on. Someone asked me what is behind me. So this is not where I want to do my Facebook Lives all the time. I want to be in my kitchen, which will be much nicer. But with school vacation and everyone around, I'm not comfortable up there because we'll get interrupted and chat. So where we are right now is in my basement office. So I, for 15 years, have had a custom invitation business. I do wedding invitations, bar and bat mitzvah. I am doing it for 15 years. I'm slowing it down. I'm not as passionate about it. I did do some really cool things though. If you want to see, I'll show you. I'm gonna cover the names because people probably want their privacy, but I have some really cool invitations I've done over the years. This one, I'm covering the names. Check this out. We used pebble paper. How cool is that? And it's a wedding invitation. We did this one, I have to cover the name, but it is a baseball themed invitation on wood. And on the back, we have a pocket. How awesome is that? And look at this birth announcement. This was for a baby shower. How much fun is that? So this was my business. I do 15 years. It's been great. Love it. So that's what you see behind me, but you're not always going to see behind me because I don't want this to be my space. I want my space upstairs. And I am not doing this business full time anymore. I'm getting very picky and only working with a couple of people, referrals and such. I'm much more passionate about my health and wellness business that I'm pursuing. So that being said, my recipe for today. When I was a kid, my mother made English muffin pizza. Have you guys heard of English muffin pizza? Is that a thing? I don't know if that's a thing that my mother made up. I don't know if it's a New York thing because I grew up in New York. But if you've heard of it, let me know. Like, hit a yes or a 1. Let me know if you've heard of English muffin pizza. So when I became gluten-free, dairy-free, I was really bummed because I love English muffin pizza. Simplest thing in the world. English muffin, your favorite red sauce, mozzarella cheese. Can't get any easier. So in the gluten-free world and the dairy-free world, I struggled a long time to find substitutes. I found substitutes. We're all set. I can now have it. So I found a bakery nearby. If you live in Massachusetts, it's in Millis, and they make gluten-free, dairy-free English muffins. They are delicious. Oh, bagel pizza. Yes, I knew about bagel pizzas, but we had English muffin pizzas. They were awesome. But bagel pizzas were good too. So I found at this cafe in Millis, gluten-free, dairy-free English muffins that are delicious. They are to die for. So for this recipe, I feel like we're going to have yummy sauce and cheese. If you can't find the best English muffin, not the end of the world because the other flavors will, take over. But I do know that there are, in the frozen section, some gluten-free, dairy-free English muffins that are edible. Then you pick your, oh no. And this is why I hate the kitchen and cooking. My cheese has mold on it. That is such a bummer. Ugh. Well, I can show you the packaging anyway. So, get the sauce your favorite sauce that's gluten-free, whatever you want. Red sauce, yummy. I like basil and tomato sauce. And I use that, and it's delicious. And then I found this dairy gluten-free mozzarella cheese. I now know that it will go moldy. I didn't realize it was going to be moldy. I have to eat it quicker. I didn't eat it quick enough. Such a bummer. But anyway, this cheese melts really well. Hi, Mom. I'm talking about your English muffin pizzas. The cheese melts really well. It tastes like mozzarella cheese, but it's a little bit smoky flavor. I'm not a smoky flavor person. I'm a very simple food eater. I don't like lots of spices and lots of flavors. I like simplicity. Maybe a little garlic, maybe a little basil. This is a little smoky. And the first time I ate it, I was like, I don't know. But it was 1,000 times better than Daiya, which I can't swallow. That's just awful. And it's now grown on me, and I'm used to it, and I really like it. Hi, Lois. How are you? How are the girls? I love pictures on Facebook. So I recommend this cheese. It's called Miyoko's Creamery Fresh Vegan Mozzarella. Not the same as regular mozzarella, but it was pretty good. And I really did enjoy my English muffin pizza. Definitely sprinkle some garlic on it. And if you like basil, a little bit of basil, but those don't really count as ingredients because they are in my cabinet. So that being said, you need to eat it quickly because it will go bad. Yikes! Shoot. Ew, gross. Gross. Yucky. That's disgusting. Oh, it's all over my desk. So anyway, that's what I have today. And I hope you guys, if you make it, enjoy it, let me know. And, oh, nasty. If you have any other suggestions, if you make it and you find muffins that you love, let us know. If you have a different cheese that you love, maybe one that doesn't go moldy so quickly, that would be great. And have an awesome Sunday night, everyone. Enjoy. And this was my Sunday night, gluten-free, dairy-free, cooking on the go. Are you my daughter? Why? Why would you say that? Ann Dickinson is watching. Hi, Ann. So this was my evening. This is my gluten-free, dairy-free, quick recipes on the go so you can enjoy and not spend your time in the kitchen video. Have a wonderful week, everyone. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And have a fabulous night of moldy cheese. I didn't realize it goes so fast. Ugh, don't eat moldy cheese. Have a fabulous night, everyone. Enjoy. Stay warm. See you tomorrow. Adios, amigos.